Is that real? Is that actually a product? Organic dark roast coffee. We're not buying. We're not buying that.
That guy never ended up doing it, so I guess I will. The other day, I was wandering the aisles of the well-known furniture store Ikea looking for a table, and I happened to stumble upon this fantastic little bag of coffee. Who knew Ikea sells or makes coffee? I don't even know if they roast this. I just came across this and I thought, YouTube video idea, let's do it. And here I am with a medium roast from God knows where, of God knows what, and it's pre-ground. All the better. So this is what we're doing today. We're going to try Ikea's coffee, which is called patar. I'm butchering the pronunciation again, but I'll just say patar. In Swedish, it's probably pronounced in some other way completely. Okay, so it's not patar, it's poto. It's completely something else, and I butchered it. So I'm sorry if there's anyone from Sweden who's watching. I doubt there is, but I'm just sorry. Guessing why this is a thing is because Swedes love coffee. Swedish people are some of the highest consuming populations of coffee in the world. Before we try this, I went ahead and did some research to find out where the coffee is coming from because it doesn't mention anything about the origin or the source. All it says is that this is organic ground medium roast coffee. It mentions the acidity, the body, and the roast level. Let's see how accurate, not accurate, but how true that holds up. That'll be fun. On their website, it just said that it is coming from a bunch of South American farms, so not even specifically one country, just South America, and then I think they make a huge blend and just roast it. Now, who's roasting it? That I don't know either. They haven't mentioned it. I doubt Ikea is roasting it. I'm sure they're getting it from some other commercial roaster. Next thing we'll do is open the bag, smell it, see it, and assess the grind size. We're gonna make a filter brew with this. So let's see how the grind size is for a filter brew, how consistent it is, and what's what. Also, it says production date was the 7th of July. I'm guessing that was the roast date. August, September, October, November. It's 4 months old. It's not claiming to be fresh roasted. I don't think anyone expects it to be, which is okay. It's properly sealed inside another plastic bag. That's good, I guess, for preserving the freshness. Huh. It is not that bad. Oh, okay. One of the reasons why it doesn't smell so bad to me is because it has a very nostalgic element to it, because it smells like very old school Folgers coffee. It has a very comforting, dark and smooth smell. It's not that dark. It does seem like a fairly medium roast. I'll show you the grind size and the roast and how it looks, how dark or light it is when I'm brewing. And so far it smells good, it looks good. It says it was ground for filter coffee. I think this is a good enough grind, although I can see a few inconsistencies in the grind particles. There's a few bigger particles and there's quite a few fine ones. Yeah, so it's not too consistent in how it's ground. I think let's start brewing this. I desperately need a better setup for when I'm doing brewing in my videos. It's very, very limited in terms of space. It's not a very flattering angle, it's not a very fun angle, but just bear with me, please. Oh, before we start, what I'm brewing with today is a Kalita. Very excited to use this. I'll be using 250 grams of water for 15 grams of coffee, so that's a 60 grams to a liter ratio. Total brew time was 2 minutes 39 seconds, which is fairly decent. Although the grind was inconsistent. Let's go ahead and taste it now. This is a cup from Ikea. Wow. Okay. Wow. I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this at all. First of all, this is not a single origin, it is a blend. And for a blend, it tastes fantastic. Okay, not that good, but the fact that it's from Ikea. Yes, it's Ikea. It's a Swedish furniture manufacturer. I understand. But I don't know how they did this. This is actually pretty bearable, given who they are and what this is, and the price and everything taken into account. Oh shit. It actually has acidity in it. It's not heavy-bodied, but it's not light-bodied either. It's somewhere in the middle. There's a good amount of acidity. I feel the bitterness. The bitterness kind of comes in a bit later. But this is really surprisingly better than what I expected it to be. It's much, much better than what I estimated in my head. So the body is somewhere in the middle, which is accurate, I guess. And the acidity is there, definitely. Roast level, sure, that's fine. This is surprisingly good. I am kind of blown away by this. Not that this would be my daily driver. I just did it for experiment's sake for this channel. But wow, if you are in the circumstances that you desperately need coffee, and the only one available for some odd reason is the one at your closest Ikea store, this would do fairly well. I think you would be pleasantly surprised. I'm honestly, I'm not sure what it is I'm feeling and why I'm feeling it, but this really did just surprise me. It kicked me in the face and told me, hey, you were wrong, you dumb snob. I'm not that bad. And it's right. It's not that bad. It surprised me. And I don't know what to do with the rest of this. So, to end this video, I don't have an ending for this video, but thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun for you. It was for me. And I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see anything else. I have another video coming out after this one, and that's a bit interesting as well. Nothing too crazy, but fairly simple video. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have you tried Ikea's coffee? Were you surprised by it? And how would you rank it with other, just I guess your commercial coffee brands like Starbucks or Tim Hortons? Because I can confidently say this is better than any other Starbucks filter coffee I've had. I'm sorry, it is. And the fact that this was roasted back in July and it's pre-ground, taking into account every single thing that this is, it's really, really surprisingly good. Yes, that's it. Controversial take, but it is what it is, and that's just my opinion. So don't come attacking me. I'm freaking surprised by this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, don't do drugs. Peace.